Hi, I'm Keita Moses with John Jones Real Estate, and welcome to 717 Rivercrest Pass in Nashville, Tennessee. This home is located 16 minutes from downtown Nashville and 8 minutes from the airport. There are so many amazing features in this home. I can't wait to take you inside. This home is located in the Donaldson area, just over 2,900 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. As soon as you enter this home, you see a custom staircase with woodwork accents. As we enter our main living area, we see more custom wood accents, gas fireplace, shiplap, hardwood floors, granite, our gas stove, overlooking our amazing outdoor living, which we're going to get to later. Also downstairs, we have this beautiful office with French doors, a half bath and dining area just off of the kitchen. Upstairs, we have our 4 bedrooms, which includes this amazing owner's suite. It has vaulted ceilings, and wait until you see the bathroom, which features dual closets, double vanities, and a very unique garden tub and tile shower. Also upstairs, we have our 3 additional bedrooms, 2 full baths, and our large bonus room over our 2-car garage with a Tesla charger. Last but not least, we have this beautiful outdoor oasis that can be enjoyed year-round. It features a 3-level deck with heat and hot tub. Thank you for taking a look at this home. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. Keita Moses, 615-473-4600.